Kishampate. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kishtivity. Today's topic is magical square. If you don't watch my previous video, please watch that video. In that video, I taught you that how to construct magical squares using different types of numbers. But today, I am going to tell you how to construct magical square using sum. We don't know the numbers. We know only the sum. Are you ready? Come, let's do together. I already told you that these are grids. If the sum is 30. How to construct the magical square? Divide it by 3. Because this is 3 by 3 square. 3 tens are 30. We get the middle number 10. Now decrease from left side. 9, 8, 7, 6. Now increase from right side. 11, 12, 13 and 14. Is the magical square is ready? Come, let's check. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 11, 30. Let's check another one. 12 plus 30, 25. 25 plus 14, 39. So, this is not a magical square. To construct magical square, there are 2 steps. First step, we have to change diagonal numbers. 6 become 14, 14 become 6. 12 become 8, 8 become 12. Now write as it is. 7, 10, 13, 9, 11. Second step. See friends, we have to change numbers shown in the figure. This number comes here, this number comes here, like that. 14, 14 comes here. 7, 7 comes here. 12, 11, 6, 13, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's check it. 9 plus 14, 23, 23 plus 7, 30. 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 12, 30. 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 7, 30. 14 plus 10, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. Easy. Now our magical square is ready. If you don't understand, observe carefully. I am going to construct one more. If the sum is 21, what we have to do? Divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Now our middle number is ready. 7. For left side, we have to decrease. 6, 5, 4, 3. For right side, we have to increase. 8, 9, 10, 11. This is not magical square. For magical square, we have to follow 2 steps. We have to change diagonal numbers. 5 became 9, 9 become 5, 11 become 3, 3 become 11. Now write as it is. 4, 7, 10, 6 and 8. Now second step. We have to change next now grids. 11 comes here. 4 comes here. 9, 8, 3, 10, 5, 6 and 7. Now let's check it. 6 plus 11, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 6 plus 7, 30. 30 plus 8, 21. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 10, 21. Very easy. You can play with your friends by giving some. It's really like a magic. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Kishtivity and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.